Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will be looking at 30 common questions and answers in English. Please remember to like and subscribe.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I am doing great. What's your name?
My name is Sarah, and you?
My name is Michael. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I am from Jamaica. What do you do?
I'm a student, and you?
I am a lecturer. What's your favorite color?
I like blue, and you?
Mine is blue too. Do you have siblings?
Yes, have one sister. How about you?
Yes, I have one brother and a sister. What do you like to eat?
I'll love pasta. How about you?
I love vegetables and fruits. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer. How about you?
I play football. Do you like reading?
Yes, I read every day, and you?
Yes, I have to do it every day too. What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
What's your favorite animal?
I love dogs. How about you?
I love cats and dogs. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking.
What's your favorite movie?
I love Toy Story.
Do you play video games?
Yes, sometimes.
What music do you like?
I enjoy pop music.
What's your favorite subject?
Math is my favorite.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Japan.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like painting.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Are you a morning person?
Yes, I wake up early.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love mangoes.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I enjoy singing.
Do you drive a car?
No, I don't drive.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, dancing is fun.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch it in the evenings.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, drawing is my favorite hobby.